We're here.
Alright. Wow.
We are here.
Okay, welcome guys to
Yes,
my
Jared.
house.
Wow.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Jared's kitchen. We're
Yeah.
excited.
Okay, you.
Duh.
That's great.
I prepared for you guys 4 courses, 4 dishes, which you guys don't know what it is, but they are all high protein, pretty.
So it's like omakase style.
Yes,
Okay.
every course I'll plate it up in front of you, and then you guys will judge it based on appearance, a scale from 1 to 10, and then after that on taste, from 1 to 10.
I'm ready. Cleansing my
Okay.
palate.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Oh.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Oh.
Wow, apple juice is great. Apple juice is great.
You mean grape?
Oh,
Do you know
grape
how
juice.
wine is made?
Oh, sorry.
Chef. Show it to the camera that side over there.
Put the half there.
Yeah, I think you should open the.
To be very honest,
Wow. What salt is this? From where?
Mountain sea salt.
Oh!
Yeah.
You know what you're doing, bro.
It's the first dish.
What do you call this?
Yeah.
Wow, come on.
This is a Thai-inspired beef salad.
Wow.
In the salad, you have basil, mint, coriander, spring onion, shallots, and you have beef that is very quickly roasted, and a Thai-inspired dressing. Alright, on to you guys.
What do you think about the food's appearance?
Honestly, I think it's very healthy looking. And I love the huge chunks of beef as well. It's like, it's there. I'm a meat guy, you know what I mean?
Alright.
So,
Out of
out of
10.
10, I'll give it a 8.
Alright. I'll give it 8 as well. Looks very presentable. Yeah. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 as well. It looks really healthy for sure.
Okay.
Alright, let's eat.
Yeah, go for it.
Bon appetit.
Appetito!
Yum yum yum. I'm gonna eat this one.
Alright.
Let's thank you for food.
Oh,
Bless it. May all dishes get a 10. In Jesus' name.
Okay, now you know what to do, huh? It's a sauce.
It's a sauce. It's that just nice balance of the citrusy, spicy that goes really well. I mean, if there's no beef, I would actually just like to eat the vegetable. To be honest, it's actually quite good.
The knife is too blunt.
Okay.
Seasoning wise,
Yeah.
1 point.
Good?
1 point. That punch of freshness, citrusy.
Wow.
Then you get the beefiness of it.
As an
And
appetizer.
and I feel the piece of steak they use very, very spot on as well. And the peanuts as a garnish was a good
Actually, it's
addition.
rice.
Yeah, toasted rice.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I will like the usual peanuts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it will just give that different
Yes.
texture and the earthiness. But this is also wow. I'm into the sauce.
Actually, very refreshing.
Yeah, very refreshing. I love that Thai, and it's not spicy, which is good. I won't eat meat except it's for toothbrush.
No. I converted you on a salad.
Me too, honestly. I don't like greens. I don't like greens. Right. I mean, so I think I'll give it a 10.
Wow!
And the reason why I said 10,
Hey, real or not real?
real. First thing is, I love beef. I love a good piece of steak. And I think this piece of steak was executed super duper well. Medium rare. Medium rare. But there's still a bit of a pink center. That's what you want in beef.
The meat was 10 out of 10, and the salad was 10 out of 10. However, when it comes to a salad, like what Jane said, it was a little bit too of a thick cut. So 9.5 out of 10. Just because the meat was a little bit thick to eat for my liking. But overall, I would say if they were just separate dishes, 10 out of 10, I would just eat the salad again. Like I said, I would just eat the salad without the piece. So well done, Chef Jared.
I'll give 9 out of 10 because of the beef, but I think overall the combination is very good. Yeah, I would order this if you sell it. Definitely.
How much you pay?
$25.
I was going for 25.
Yeah,
20,
I'll
25.
pay $25 for that.
It's like a normal salad pricing. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The huge chunks of beef, right? I mean, if you just put that like tenderloin beef,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
cuts of it, right? That will open people's eye. Like, wow, that easily can go 20, 25. Just 2 or 3 pieces. Maybe the garnish and everything.
All right, well done.